everybody and welcome back to the channel of Legal Humming. This is me, Deshana Jain, or should I just welcome you to the very boring background, which is basically my study table, and that is the video all about. We are going to transform this boring wall, not just this wall, a wall next to my bed which you cannot see, and there's one more wall which I'm going to show you right after this clip, and we are going to transform it. If you have watched my last video and if you know what all I told you about me, you would be knowing that I am from MANIPAL University Jaipur, and MANIPAL University Jaipur provides you with hostel services as well. So they have quite a spacious room. I live in a double occupancy room, so I have a roommate. So it's my roommate's last year and I have one more year to go because my roommate is from BTech background and she is like doing a 4-year course, but being a law student I am doing a 5-year course. I have one more year, and this room is quite boring when it comes to its wall. It has a good infrastructure, no doubt, but I needed like some transformation to make it look more attractive because all of my friends' room are very awesome and I was quite inspired. And also the fact when you are decorating your room and it's well organized, you keep it clean every time and you don't make it messy, which I generally tend to make when I am at hostel. So let's try doing that. Without a further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the before and the after clip of my room, and you can see that how my room was entirely changed and I was so happy with the outcome. So firstly I started by taking some of the pictures. I got it cut down, and in this process my friend Hasita and Aishwarya, they helped me out a lot. And then I took the pictures and pasted the double-sided tape on behind all the pictures so that I can directly stick them up on the wall. So yeah, that is what I'm doing, and here we go. We are in the process of sticking the pictures on the wall and decorating the area. Then I moved to the shelf. यहाँ पे already कुछ सामान था जो मैंने निकाल दिया था, and then I just wanted to rearrange it and clean that area. So I just took a fur cloth, उसके ऊपर मैंने कुछ pebbles लिए थे, उसे मैंने spread कर दिया अच्छे से, and then I just took some random books and arranged it there like such. एंड उसके बाद मैंने एक फ्रेम लिया, मेरा फैमिली फ़ोटो फ्रेम था वो मैंने उसे लगाया, एंड देन आई डेकोरेटेड द एंटायर एरिया विद सम लाइट्स, एंड या दैट इज़ इट.
What a wonderful world.
And yeah, then I took these LED lights, and ये मैंने ना पूरा मेरे स्टडी टेबल के अराउंड लगा दिया था. इस क्लिप में नहीं दिखेगा, but these were the changeable lights in red, blue and green color. And yes, then I moved to the next wall. इसमें I took help of my two friends Sanskar and Ankur. Thank you so much Sanskar and Ankur, you guys were such a great help. And yeah, we also did some work with Virat Kohli right there. So हम चारों ने मिलकर, विराट कोहली, मी, संस्कार एंड अंकुर, we sat there. एंड कॉलेज का एक कॉमन रूम है, वहाँ पर हमने बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स कट किए, एंड देन वी अरेंज्ड इट इन सच अ मैनर एंड इट लुक्स सो गुड. एंड देन मैंने ये जो वॉल है इस पर ऑलरेडी कुछ स्टिकर्स चिपके हुए थे बिकॉज माई रूममेट शी डेकोरेटेड माई वॉल फॉर माई बर्थडे लास्ट ईयर. तो वो कुछ स्टिकर्स थे, ये सब मैंने हटाए, एंड देन वो जो मैंने पूरा एक फ्रेम टाइप रेडी किया था बिल्कुल एस्थेटिक सा, वो मैंने वॉल पे स्टिक कर दिया. yeah, then I like took these very cute and aestheticsy butterflies and I started like again pasting some double-sided tape. और उसके बाद मैंने इन सभी को वॉल पे स्टिक कर दिया. बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था. You'll see that in the clip. And yeah, then I took like this artificial planter bale जिसे कहते हैं, वो मैंने लिया और उसे ऐसे स्टिक कर दिया था through double sided tape and it looks so good, so good. And then I moved to the tag board which was like just next to my bed. Bed के ऊपर ही है ये. So I like took a thread and sticked around some pins on it like holder pins and उसके ऊपर भी मैंने कुछ मेरे pictures लगा दिए थे, photographs, and it looked very pretty. And then I decorated the rest of the tag board through different quotes and एक poster था मेरा, उसको मैंने लगाया था उस tag board पे and it looked very pretty. Then I took another of this artificial bale, a planter, anything which you want to call it as, and उससे ही मैंने decorate कर दिया था. And then we again like cut out like some of the pictures in black and white. वही संस्कार इन अंकुर ने मेरी हेल्प की एंड सेम जो आपको क्लिप में दिख रहा है ना, एक एस्थेटिक सा पिक्चर फ्रेमिंग, वैसा ही मैंने उसे ब्लैक एंड वाइट में बनाया था. एंड देन आई स्टिक्ड इट ऑन द अदर वॉल, लाइक द वॉल नेक्स्ट टू माई बेड, लाइक सो. And then I changed my bed sheet and pillow cover, arranged my bed a little bit and got it all sorted. And then I like got this very cute D letter light which looks so pretty. And उसके अलावा मैंने ना ये टैग बोर्ड पे इस वाले भी टैग बोर्ड पे which was near my bed and वॉल पे जहाँ पे मैंने बटरफ्लाइज लगाए थे वहाँ पे मैंने ऐसी फेरी लाइट लगा दी थी and it looks so pretty. And look at me enjoying finally at my very aesthetic room. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope you just loved this transformation video because I loved how my room looked like. And if you did so, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next video. This is me, Deshana Doshi, signing off now. Bye guys.